Rodent-proof compost systems stop rats and mice from turning your compost into a food source and breeding ground. Start with a fully enclosed composter or a sealed tumbler fitted with hardware cloth of 1/8 inch mesh over all vents and openings, and secure the mesh with stainless steel screws and washers so rodents cannot peel it back. Add a metal skirt around the base that extends at least 6 inches outward and 4 inches into the soil, buried or pinned, to prevent burrowing under the bin. Use galvanized flashing or aluminum flashing because plastic skirts will eventually be chewed. Maintain the carbon to nitrogen balance by adding shredded paper, dry leaves, or straw when you add kitchen scraps so the pile stays drier and less attractive to rodents. Aim for a texture like a wrung-out sponge, moist but not dripping. Avoid putting meat, dairy, oily foods, or large chunks of bread into outdoor compost unless you are using bokashi precomposting indoors first, as bokashi ferments these items and renders them less attractive to pests. For transfer points such as lids and access doors, fit a rubber gasket or silicone seal and use carabiner clips or padlock loops so lids cannot be nudged open by persistent animals. Finally, schedule regular turning of the pile or tumbling every 3 to 7 days to keep temperatures uniform and disturb nesting opportunities. Common mistakes are leaving gaps and using too large mesh, which lets juveniles squeeze through, so replace openings with 1/8 inch hardware cloth and tape the edges with stainless steel mesh tape to eliminate small gaps. Another issue is storing scraps in an open bucket overnight, which attracts rodents to your yard, so keep kitchen waste in a sealed indoor container or a bokashi bin until transfer to the composter. A final frequent problem is overwatering or adding too much green food, which creates anaerobic, smelly patches that draw rodents. So, mix in dry browns and monitor moisture with the squeeze test so the material feels like a wrung-out sponge. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors who can fabricate or install rodent-proof systems and baffle kits, and we help contractors find project leads in their area. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share field tips, product photos, and troubleshooting advice.